Hello, Army. Breaking news about BTS and HYBE Corporation. HYBE Corporation's stock price has risen after BTS's J-Hope completed his military service. Could this be a sign that BTS will be making their comeback soon? Watch this video until the end to find out more. Seoul, South Korea. Korea's entertainment industry is once again shaken as several major company stocks recorded significant declines over the past few weeks. The drop has raised concerns among investors, especially with the intensifying global competition and growing market uncertainty. But amid the anxiety, all eyes are turning back to BTS, the global supergroup known for influencing not only music trends but also economic movements. Analysts believe that once the BTS members complete their military service, their return could become a key turning point capable of restoring investor confidence and potentially triggering a major rebound in entertainment stock valuations. A noticeable impact on the market. Recent reports show that stocks of several Korean entertainment agencies have fallen between 5% and 12%. Investors are beginning to question the long-term stability of an industry heavily reliant on the popularity and activity of its artists. One market analyst stated, BTS is not just an artist group, they're an economic force. Their return could instantly influence the performance of entertainment stocks in Korea. Spotlight on BTS. Although the members are currently completing their military service, signs of an upcoming group comeback are slowly emerging. Rumors and early hints about BTS's future activities have already stirred positive movement in the market. Even minor updates can significantly shift investor sentiment. Many fans and analysts predict that BTS's first project after reuniting could become the biggest industry moment Korea has seen in years. Investors await the BTS effect. History shows that every BTS album release, concert, or global project has triggered massive waves boosting music sales, tourism, the creative economy, and even the stock value of related companies. Now, as entertainment agency stocks continue to slip, the market seems to be holding its breath, waiting to see, will BTS once again be the force that restores investor confidence? Extended coverage. Will BTS spark the next big market revival? The military service countdown. As the countdown to the members' military discharge continues, anticipation is escalating worldwide. Economists have noted a curious pattern. Every time updates related to BTS surface, whether it's a message from a member, a teaser rumor, or official statements, social media metrics spike, and with them investor sentiment. Financial expert Kim Ho-jin explained, BTS's influence extends far beyond music. Their presence alone acts as a stabilizing psychological factor for investors who see the group as a reliable economic driver. This is not without reason. Historically, the stock value of entertainment companies associated with BTS tends to rise around periods of major announcements. Now, with the group's reunion on the horizon, analysts expect similar patterns to re-emerge, possibly even stronger than before. A market waiting for a comeback. The entertainment sector is known for its volatility, and the recent downturn has highlighted just how fragile the ecosystem can be without consistent, high-impact releases from mega acts. Several production companies have postponed major projects, opting to wait for upcoming shifts in the industry landscape. Rumors suggest that multiple agencies are preparing for a post-BTS return surge, expecting renewed global attention on K-pop, advertisers, endorsement brands, streaming platforms, and event organizers are reportedly adjusting their strategies in anticipation of what some are calling the 2025 BTS wave. What fans are saying. Beyond the economic angle, fan communities, especially ARMY, are fueling global excitement. Online forums, social platforms, and fan clubs across various countries have been buzzing with theories about future album concepts, world tour possibilities, and collaborations. One Indonesian fan wrote on a global forum, BTS's comeback won't just be a music event, it will be a world event. Everything changes when they return. These sentiments are not just emotional. They translate into measurable economic activity. Tourism agencies have reported increased inquiries about future travel packages to Seoul, citing a potential spike once BTS announces new group activities. The global ripple effect. The influence of BTS has often been described as transnational. Their return is expected to create ripple effects that extend to tourism, fans traveling for concerts and pop culture tours, merchandise and fashion, collaboration brands preparing new lines, streaming platforms, anticipated surges in subscriptions and engagement, cultural exports, Korean dramas, variety shows, and beauty products experiencing secondary boosts, economist Park Se-yoon added. BTS is not just a cultural asset, they're a global economic engine. Their group comeback will likely affect currency markets, tourism flows, and brand valuations. Entertainment companies brace for impact. While the current market trend shows sharp declines, companies are quietly preparing for the moment the members reunite. Some insiders speculate that several high-budget productions are already in the pipeline, awaiting the perfect timing around BTS's return. Marketing experts predict that even a short teaser, just a 1015-second clip, could cause entertainment stocks to surge dramatically. A future defined by 7 stars. As 2025 approaches, one thing becomes increasingly clear. The entertainment industry is bracing for a decisive moment. BTS's upcoming reunion could represent the beginning of a new era, not only for K-pop but also for the global entertainment market as a whole. For now, investors watch closely, fans wait eagerly, and companies prepare quietly for the explosive comeback that many believe will reshape the global entertainment landscape. Continued, the economic stakes behind BTS's return. Investors prepare for a market turning point. Behind closed doors, financial institutions and investment firms are quietly updating their forecasts. Several analysts from major Korean brokerage houses have reportedly included a BTS return variable in their 2025 market projections. This is unusual. Rarely does a single music group hold enough economic weight to influence financial modeling. But BTS is not an ordinary group. According to market observers, investor confidence is currently fragile, and the absence of BTS's global activities has created a noticeable vacuum. Many industry insiders believe that the group's reunion could serve as the market trigger event that rekindles growth. One senior analyst commented anonymously, "The entertainment industry has been moving sideways. Everyone knows the catalyst is coming the moment BTS returns. The entire sector could see renewed momentum." Government and tourism bodies also anticipate impact. It's not just investors who are watching closely. South Korea's tourism organizations are preparing new campaigns aimed at the post-military comeback of BTS. Historical data shows that BTS significantly boosts tourism. Fans routinely visit filming locations, calf spots, museums, and even landmarks mentioned in their music. Before military enlistment, BTS-related tourism generated millions in revenue. Many expect those numbers to surge again once the members resume public activities. A spokesperson for a Korean Cultural Tourism Board noted, "BTS's influence on tourism is unparalleled. Their reunion could revive international travel flows to Korea, particularly from Southeast Asia, Europe, and the US. Brands position themselves for a marketing boom. In the branding and advertising world, preparations are well underway. Global companies, from luxury fashion houses to tech giants, have reportedly begun strategizing for a potential bidding war for BTS endorsements. These endorsements often deliver massive visibility and sales spikes. Marketing executives predict that BTS could drive one of the most impactful global campaigns of the decade upon their return. A global brand strategist explained, "The demand for BTS is immense. We expect companies to compete aggressively for contracts once the group is active again. Their marketing value is unmatched. Entertainment companies under pressure. Meanwhile, shareholders are pressing entertainment agencies to strengthen long-term strategies." Many have criticized companies for over-reliance on a few major acts, warning that the recent stock decline highlights deeper structural issues. Industry experts suggest that While BTS's return will provide a huge boost, companies must diversify and innovate to maintain stability beyond the BTS effect. Still, few deny the reality. BTS remains the largest economic pillar in K-entertainment. Speculation on the first move after reuniting, what BTS chooses to do the moment all 7 members are reunited is still a closely guarded secret. Speculation includes a global press conference, a new full-length album, a documentary chronicling their military service era, a record-breaking world tour, a special fan event held in Seoul. Even without official announcements, expectations are already skyrocketing. Music critics believe the comeback could symbolize a new artistic era, potentially redefining the direction of K-pop worldwide. The world watches and waits. As 2025 draws nearer, the atmosphere around the entertainment market feels increasingly tense yet hopeful. The decline in stock prices has created uncertainty, and that uncertainty has magnified the importance of BTS's eventual comeback. To fans, it will be a long-awaited emotional moment. To investors, it may be the economic turning point they've been hoping for. To the industry, it could mark a new chapter of global expansion.